A very good morning, students. I hope all of you are good at your places. Students, today in this class, I'm going to discuss some of the questions of assignment 4.1. Okay, so let us discuss question number 12. That is, complete the following table by finding the value of A, B, C, and D. That means in each question, in each part, I have to find the value of A, B, C, and D. The question consists of 5 parts, students, but I'm going to discuss only 3 parts. Okay, the rest 2 parts you have to do yourself. Okay, so question number 12, first part, students. See, here we have n and 6n plus 10. That means if I take A in place of n, that means 6, and if I take A, 6a plus 10 is equals to 22. Okay, take a in plus of n. Okay, so it will be 6a plus 10, that is equals to 22. Therefore 6a is equals to, if I just take this 10 and subtract, it will be 12. Okay, 6 is a multiplication and it goes here, it will be division. So the value of a is 2. Because 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay. Now similarly, students, if I take b in place of n, so it will be 6b plus 10, and that is equals to 40 now. 10 is in addition and it goes here, it will be subtraction, so 40 minus 10 will be 30. So 6b is equals to 30. So b is equals to 5. b is equals to 5. Okay, now similarly, students, n, if I take 30 in place of n, 30 in place of n means 6 n is changed by 30 plus 10. So it will be c now. Okay, it will be c. Now students, this is 180, 180 plus 10, it will be 190. So the value of c is 190. Okay, now this, if I take 40 in place of n, so it will be 6 into 40 plus 10 is equals to value of d. So 6 4 is 24, that will be 240 plus 10, 250. So the answer is 250 now. Okay, students. So similarly, question number, part number 3 we have. In part number 3, see, if I take a in place of n, so 6a plus 10 is equals to 10. Okay, if I take 10 and it goes here, 10 minus 10 will be 0, so 6a is equals to 0. 6 is in multiplication, when it goes here, it will be in division. 0 by 6 is 0. So the value of a is 0. Okay, now take this b in place of n. So 6b plus 10 is equals to 58. 10 is in addition, when it goes here it will be subtraction. So 58 minus 10 will be 48. So 6b is equals to 48. Okay, 6 is in multiplication, when it goes here it will be in division. So b is equals to 48 divided by 6. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s is 48. So the value of b is 48. Okay. Now take 10 in place of 10. So 6 into 10 plus 10 is equals to c. Therefore, this is 60 plus 10, 70. So the value of c is 70. Okay. Similarly, students, if I take 40 in place of n, so 6 4s are 24, that will be 240 plus 10. Therefore, the value of b is 250. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the part number 5. Same question is this. If I take a in place of n, it will be 8a plus 7 is equals to 15 now. 7 is in addition, when it goes here it will be in subtraction. So 15 minus 7 will be 8. So 5, 8, 8. 8a is equals to 8. Therefore, A is equals to 8 divided by 8, that is equals to 1. Okay. Now, if I take B in place of N, so 8B plus 7 is equals to 55 now. Okay. Now take this 7, when it goes here, it will be in subtraction. So 55 minus 7. 55 minus 7, students. It will be, sorry. Yes, it will be 48. Yes, it will be 48, students. 8 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be in division. So 48 divided by B, sorry, 8, it will be 6. It will be 6 because 8 6 is 48. Now, if I take 30 in place of N, so 8 into 30 plus 7 is equals to this number, that is C. So 8 is 24, that is 240 plus 7, that is 247. Therefore, values of C is 247. Okay. Now, students, if I take 60 in place of N, so 8 into 60 plus 7 is equals to value of D. 8 6 are 48, that is 480 plus 7, 487. So the value of D is 487. Okay, students. So I hope all of you understand this question number 12. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the question number 13, students. In question number 13, we have to complete the following multiplication table. Okay. In this question, there are two parts. First of all, I'm going to discuss the second part. Then I'm going to discuss the first part. Okay. See, this is the given question that is in the book now. Okay. So I have to find these blank places. I have to find these blank places. Okay. So what we're going to do, students? First of all, draw this as it is in your copy. Okay. Now, students, see. What does this multiplication table means? If I just take an example, if I just take like this, okay, multiplication is here. I have write down 1, 2, 2 minus 3. Okay. So what does this multiplication table means? That is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is minus 6. Okay. So this is the example of a multiplication table. Similarly, students, I have to find out the blank places. See, if I take this 40, students, if I just take this 40, so 8 into how much will be 40? If I just take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. Okay, I have to find out the value of these numbers from A to N. See, if I take 8 into A, 8 into A, 8 into A is 40. So the value of A is 5 now. Value of A is 5. That means, and next table you have to just put the value of A as 5. Okay, now. Students, if I take 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5 is, see, 2 into 5 is equals to E here in the question. So E is 10 now. The value of E is 10. So this is 10. Okay. Now, now 5 into I don't know. 5 into L is equals to, I don't know. Okay. Now take this number, students. See, 8 multiplied by C is 0. 8 multiplied by C is 0. 8 multiplied by C is 0. That means 8 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be in division. 0 by 8 is 0. So the value of C is 0. Value of C is 0 now. That means, see, 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is equals to D. It is given in the question, so the D will be 0 now. D will be 0. Similarly, students, if I take L into 0, it will be 0, so the value of N is also 0. Okay. Now students, if I just take this 22, 2 into b is 22, 2 into b is 22, so the value of b is 11 now, value of b is 11, so value of b 11, okay. Now 11 into 8 is 88, 11 into 8 is 88, so it will be 88. Similarly 11 into I, see 11 into I, it is k, I don't know. So let us take another example, okay, I can't solve it. 11 into L is 66, yes, 11 into L is 66. That means L is 6, because 11 6 is 66, that means this is 6. Okay, now 6 into 5 is 30. 6 into 5 is 30, that means this is 30. Okay, that means this is 30. So the only number, see, 2 8s are 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So this is 16 now. Now 8 multiplied by 8, 8 8s is 64. So this number is 64 now. Okay, so the only number that is left is k and j. The only number that is left is k and j. See students, I multiply by 8. I multiply by 8 is 24. I multiply by 8 is 24. That means I is equal to 24 by 8, that is 3. Because 8 3 is 24, so the value of I is 3 now. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Okay, and 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. Okay, so this is our required answer. Okay, because I have find out all the blank spaces. Okay, students, now coming back to the first part, students, I have similarly as we have discussed in the previous part, in this part also I have to find out the blank spaces. Okay, so students, first of all do same thing, let it be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N and O. Okay students, so see, it is 0 now. Sorry students, it is not 0, it is O. So just do one thing, see, it will be confusion for all of us, so just do one thing, name it some other number. It will, let it be P, let it be P, because if I just write it down O, it can be a misunderstanding that I have already taken that it can be 0, so I just name it as P. Okay, so students, see, A into 3 is 6, A into 3 is 6, that means value of A is 2. Okay, value of A is 2. Okay students, now 2 into D I don't know, okay, 2 into M I don't know, okay. So now students, see, it is 6, 6 into 3 is J, 6 into 3 is J, that means 6 3 is 18, so this number is 18 now. This number is 18 now, okay. Now 6 into any other number, okay, now I don't know any other number. So just do one thing students, I can't move forward just simply guessing the values. So just do one thing students, take first number, this I already know, this I already know, the next is B, that is B into what number? D. B into D is 10, B into D is 10, okay. B into 3 is K and B into M. See, B into 3 is equals to K. B into 3 is equals to K. B into M is equals to 30. B into M is equals to 30. Okay. So what I have to do students, I have to just think about the values. No need of see, multiplication of this is 2, multiplication of this is 2. Okay, just leave it aside for some time. Leave it aside for some time. See students, B into D is 10. That means just take two numbers, after which if I just multiply them, we get 10. So students, the possibilities are B can be 2 and 5 can be 10. Okay. Another possibility if I take students, B will be 5 and this will be 2. Okay. Now, if B is 2 students, if B is 2, then M will be 15. M will be 15. But students, because 2 into 15 is 30, but if I take 15 here, yes. So 15 multiplied by C, 15 multiplied by this number C is equals to 42. And C will come in fraction. That means M can't be 15. Therefore B can't be 2. Therefore B can't be 2. The only possibility left is B is equals to 5. B is equals to 5. That means take B is equals to 5. And now D is 2. Okay. Now students, 5 into 10 is 50. 5 into 10 is 50. Okay. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. Now C into 2 is, I don't know, because here it is given that it is G and I don't know the value of G. Okay. Now the only number left is C, this E. Now 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 6 into 2 is 12. Okay. Now this is left. 2 into M. M I don't know. Okay. 6 into M. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So let's just take some other examples also now. See. Okay. See students, I can find the value of M. How? See, 5 into M is 30. 5 into M is 30. So the M is 6 now. So the value of M is 6. If M is 6 students, 2 into 6 is 12. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay. Now the only number left is G, I and L. G, I and L. Now students, C into 6. C into 6 is 42. C into 6 is 42. Therefore C is equals to 7 because 7 6 is 42. So this is 7 now. And 7 2 is 14. So this will be 14. 7 into 10 will be 70. 7 into 3 is 21. Okay. So students, this is our required answer. I hope all of you understand this part. Just do one thing students. Take these two equations seriously. Okay. If you just understood these two equations and what are the possibilities, just do one thing students. Just pause this video here and just play the video when I just started these 2 points. See it again and practice it yourself. Okay. Then it will be more clear to you. So in this video I am going to discuss these 2 questions. The rest questions I will discuss in the live class. Okay. Till then just be safe and be at your home. Thank you.